the pipe that was on Rogue River Avenue. It was one that we had a sewer call the day previous. And we TV'd it, and we found that there was a large buildup of roots a little further down. These ones are just what we would consider fine roots. So yes, they are not good having the pipe structurally, but they're not going to cause a problem anytime soon. So that's the nozzle that we're following down it's called the hog. It's a rotating nozzle that cuts the roots out. But we'll see where there's a 100% blockage inside of so this is 8-inch clay inside of the 8-inch clay main line, and we'll see where there's a blockage and show you the process of cutting it out. So that's going to be the whole root blockage. So that's essentially an 8-inch ball of roots plugging the main, and it was approximately 2 feet long, so it ran the span of 2 feet down the main. He'll start the nozzle up here pretty soon, and that thing will just sit there and it spins, and the water pressure just cuts them out. And I'll be sitting there communicating with them with our phones, telling them to, scoot forward or go back towards you an inch. Kind of so, because we'll sit there and just run back and forth on those roots, and we'll eventually get them cut out. And so that nozzle, I think he had it cranked up all the way to 2,000 PSI, which is the maximum of our truck. And it's just going to sit there, and it's just going to cut the roots away. When you're operating, you know you're doing it, but with the camera you can actually see it. It's pretty cool to watch it. All the way up to where the root wad starts, and then it'll just start working back, and you can kind of already start to see how some roots have been cut off and it's opened up. But we'll do that probably, as many times as it takes to get a big majority of them. Right here you can start to see the big tap root. That's probably at least a ½ inch, maybe an inch in diameter that's coming in, and that's basically where it all started from. And then that gives you a kind of good view of how long it actually was.